Good morning, class. Today we're going to continue our lesson on reading and breaking down sentences. These are two sentences that I'm going to read to you first, and then you're going to read them back to me. Is everyone ready? Okay. During September and October of 1774, delegates from all 13 colonies met together in one place for the first time ever in the First Continental Congress in Philadelphia. Three, two, one. Now it's your turn to read it back to me. Go. Great job, everyone. So, looking at this sentence, I want you to think about what do you know and what do you wonder. So, when I say go, you will have 2 minutes with your shoulder partner to discuss your response at a volume 1. What question are we answering, Laura? Yes. And how long do we have, Bethany? Great job. In three, two, one, go. Great job, everyone. Now I want you to go chunk by chunk. What does each part mean? What does the sentence mean? When I say go, you will have 3 minutes to silently and independently annotate the sentence to determine what you think it means. So, Tom, can you tell us what are we going to be doing? Great job. Grace, how long are you going to have? Excellent. Three, two, one. You may begin. Great job, everyone. So now we're going to go over your work. Stephanie, can you please read the first part of our sentence from during until our comma? Great job. So what does this dependent clause tell us? So when you looked at this sentence and you annotated it, what did you come up with? When. Very good. So you came up with that this part of the sentence told us when something happened. Okay? So what words in this clause told you that this would tell us when? September and October? Okay. Was there anything else? Great job. 1774. Very good. So what does this year 1774 tell us? Can anyone see anything significant about this year? Thomas. Very good. So when you see 1774, you automatically think this is 2 years before the Declaration of Independence was signed. Great job. So who can tell us what is another word for the time and year? Tiffany. The setting. Great job. Pam, can you read the next part of our sentence from the words delegates to colonies? Great job. Okay, Pam. So, what do these words mean to you? Delegates? Okay. So, what did you notice about the word delegates? You were unsure about its meaning? Okay, great. What else struck you? 13 colonies? Okay. Who thinks that you can help Pam with the word delegates? Liam, what do you think delegates means? Representative. Great answer. Roberto, would you like to add to Liam's definition of delegates? Very good. Okay. So, Pam, now that you know what the word delegates means, what does this mean to you? It tells us the who. Very good. It tells us the who, right? Delegates, and they're from the 13 colonies. Great job. Lindsay, would you like to read the next part of our sentence? From met to ever. Awesome job. So, what do the words in this phrase mean to you? Okay, so when you see this, it tells us the what. Okay, so what word or words in this phrase tells you that what happened? Met together. Okay, very good. So this is what happened, and we learned what our verb is, met. So Troy, who met? The delegates. Very good. And we went over the meaning of delegates earlier. A delegate is a representative. Great job. So now we're going to continue with the last part of our sentence. And we have two prepositional phrases in the first Continental Congress and in Philadelphia. Rita, would you please read the last part of our sentence, or our last two prepositional phrases? Great job. Rita, when you look at these words, what is something that you notice? What do you automatically notice? Capitalization? Awesome. Okay. The words First Continental Congress. Very good. Philadelphia. Okay. So, what does the capitalization mean to you? What do you think the significance of this is? It's probably something important. Okay. So, what do we call words that are capitalized? They are a proper noun. Very good. Okay, so First Continental Congress is probably important since all three words are capitalized. And Philadelphia, right? And this is also part of our setting. Very good. The First Continental Congress, that's a meeting, it's all capitalized. And Philadelphia is where it takes place. Great job. So I need one person to tell us a quick summary of what this sentence means. Tony, great job. An important meeting happened in 1774 in the fall in Philadelphia. Very good. Y'all did an amazing job. So now we're going to go over one more sentence, one quick sentence. CJ, would you read the last sentence for us, please? Great job. So when you read this last sentence, what do you find that's important about it? George Washington? Great, okay. The word delegates again, very good. So what is the significance of George Washington? Yes, he was the very first president. Okay, great. So you know that he was also a representative at the First Continental Congress. Y'all did an amazing job. Does anyone have any questions about breaking down these sentences? Great job.